Yes, good evening, all of you. Good evening, good evening. Nice to see you all. Rainy Wednesday night, rainy night, and we have our young, uh, you can say, female entrepreneurs. I can't say girl, nor I can say ladies. So these are young female entrepreneurs. But when someone is very young as maybe like studying in 11th standard, and somebody already professionally qualified and into this business for 10 years. So we have a wide range from standard 11 to 11 years of experience. And all girls, all females around in this session of young entrepreneurs. So welcome all. And it will be inspiring to listen from these young ladies. Yes, I will start this session. I think Meenakshi will request Meenakshi to come. We have 3 young talented people here, 3 young talented entrepreneurs, female entrepreneurs. So first we get on board Meenakshi. So we request Meenakshi to join. We have the topic like Meenakshi is from creative side. Then we have some.
Good evening, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, Meenakshi. Nice to see you.
Same here, sir. Same here. Good evening. How are you?
I'm good.
Superb, superb. Sir, I just have a request. Could you be a little more audible? I think your voice is coming a little feeble.
Okay, now is it proper? Can you hear me now properly?
A little, yeah.
Some speaking voice at your end.
One minute. 1 minute, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can you hear me now properly?
Yeah.
So I think we are meeting after a long time.
Yeah. Very, very long time.
Correct.
Yes.
Maybe I think voice is still low. Is the voice clear now, Shilpa?
Yeah. Yes. But there's some disturbance. I don't know why or what, but a little more disturbance. Yeah. Now I think it should go good. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great.
Yes.
So Meenakshi was a student of Mensa and she studied up to CA Inter, correct?
Yeah,
and
even final for that matter.
CA final. In the year,
Yes. I was very much dedicated to CA right from standard 12 to the whole package was with Mensa.
Correct. That's fine. So that's nice to have you on board and welcome. And a short introduction about yourself. You're into creative side.
Yeah. About myself, I am Meenakshi, a proud owner and founder of Krishank Arts. Krishank Arts is my art venture, which has been running successfully for the past 5 years. Started in the year 2016, and it's into 2 major categories. One being paintings. On the physical art side, you have paintings, and one more you have all the decor and decor pieces and all the altered arts uh, as majors in the physical side. On the digital side, I have just entered the digital arena, and I'm exploring a lot of things there because now we are living in the digital era. So, not losing the touch with physical arts, but yes, you need to always step up. Just like, we stepped up from 1956 Companies Act, you have to step up to 2013. So, you need to upgrade yourselves, right? So,
That's
that's
fantastic.
all.
I think क्या बोलते हैं, many may not know that even artistic things have shifted to digital platform.
Yeah, yeah. In fact, with the globalization or whatever you call it's with technology. I would say it's the technological advancement. Things work very fast there because you have people working there. They work their sweat out, and that's how things are moving that fast in the area in the arena of art and whole.
Great, great. So she is a proud founder of Christian Arts, and for last 5 years, great, good to know that. And
Yes.
as you said, you have studied your CA final, but you didn't give exams, and you suddenly shifted to this field of creative, that is arts and digital arts. Am I right?
And I would want to correct here. It's not like I couldn't clear is one part of it, but it's after giving all the after trying all the permutation combinations. Okay, I in the course of studying for my CA final alone. Okay, I have visited a lot of different. I have had a very long journey to say. So with a lot of pitfalls and irreplaceable loss and whatnot. So today I'm here a little more vibrant and probably a little more happier to come forward and talk about it. So yeah, that is me.
So that sudden shift from pure commercials to creative side, any inspiration? Like somebody inspired you, or some event inspired you, or what exactly inspired you into this?
It was a conscious call. Okay, it was something not like I was not clearing there. तो चलो कुछ और try करते so निकलो करके. It wasn't that way for sure because I had given a good number of years for CA, and somebody who is into a profession would not want to just jump onto something else because it's not working.
After three,
So sorry.
after 3 years of articleship.
Yeah, and yeah, of course, we have the benefit of undergoing the articleship training, of course. So a lot of experiences that we gained. But yeah, as coming to articleship, I got to test the waters. We get to test the waters, by pursuing CA as a course, as a professional course. You get to know what you can at least visualize what is going to come to you, like where you want to be. You can look up to that. And I was clearly very sure of not restricting myself to uh, an office setup job. Okay, so I was very sure, like I wanted to step out and start something of my own. If CA worked well and good, maybe I'll take the experience for a while and then maybe I'll do something of my own. But coming to the creatives aspect, I year 2016 had changed everything in my life. Okay, I lost our father in 2016, and that's when things changed upside down. You are not prepared to lose somebody, right? So you need to again maybe take a detour or self introspect or whatnot. And then I realized if I have to make something of my own, if I have to keep myself going, this is probably the right time. If I start sowing the seeds now, can I reap something better in my life? See, when you talk about this, I'm talking about a good 15, 20 years from now, wherein I'm sitting with a cup of tea in my hand, and then I'm just visualizing. I didn't want to have that regret in my life that wo time pe कि if I had not shifted, or maybe if I had shifted, things would have been completely different. I didn't want to have a regret. So that was why I wanted to put aside something, but not at the cost of the other. I knew I had given enough time. I tried all that is possible, and then consciously I took a call to move my base or shift my career, so to say.
Great. Any obstacles you faced when you took this decision, or after
Umpteen,
taking decision you faced any obstacles?
obstacle. You have, having come from a family of, absolutely no entrepreneurs, so to say, a typical middle class service oriented family. First of all, people are in a shock, like, if you're going to do something of your own. Secondly, to do something in arts is even more a cultural shock, especially to South Indians like us, who will always put down you to just say, okay, you gave up a qualification, you gave up a course, a degree which is valued India wide, and then you're doing something just for yourself, or just on your own. What is the guarantee that you will succeed, or how it is going to take you further? What if tomorrow you need money? What will you do, and all that? A typical question that people throw up, or they look you down, they put you down, and you feel at that point, you feel you at one point, you end up self doubting yourself. The whole point of self doubt comes there.
Right.
So, but yeah, because it was a conscious call, I was very sure of the pathway that I had for myself, and my focus was clear. I had a very clear vision of what I want to really do in life. Okay, leave about work or studies or everything, but then where are you looking yourself at? Where you want to be. You want to make peace with yourself is the whole motto. So then start building, and as they say, failure is the stepping stone of success. So my failures have been stepping stones. So I feel bad that I couldn't clear, or maybe I failed in CA, or I'm still failure, but that failure has pushed me here, that I am talking to you here at this platform, at this stage, where there could have been anybody else in my place. So yeah.
Yes, there's nothing like failure. I think everything. Maybe I have a very different perspective to it. I feel there's nothing called failure. Everything is an experience.
Absolutely.
Correct? So we take it as an experience, not as a failure, and the experience without any regret as to why that happened. Better we say we gained an experience, so we know what not to do.
Correct. Absolutely true. Because it gives you the time to test. It's not that आज किया कल उठ के ऐसे लगा कि you don't want to do it and you shifted. It wasn't that way. You have given enough time, and you have the choice to do or not to do.
And who is your role model? Like, you have some specific role model for your arts, or digital arts, or physical arts?
My role model with respect to arts, or for that matter, my work per se, it will be, I have looked up to people, not just one person, but then I have taken lessons from, people around. Okay.
Correct.
You have people around you, and you would want to know what to not do rather than what you can do like that person, right? So one such inspiration to do something of my own was Steve Jobs, wherein I, happened to see one of his clips, wherein he said he was addressing the Stanford convocation ceremony, and that's when he said, this is the closest I have seen a graduation ceremony happening, because he was a dropout at grade 3, okay, in his times, and that is when he shifted his career to the creative aspect, creative field. He did typography, he researched, he worked hard, and today we have Apple products. In the whole process, even he was removed out of Apple. So what all obstacles he must have faced. Uske samne I haven't seen honestly anything. I still have a lot of people coming to me asking for my work. So I think those are people who I look up to. And in the other front, I have Sudha Murthy, who I really I take to understand what should be your purpose, what you need to follow in life, what all your ground way kya hona chahiye, you should know all those things. And this particular age is the right time, I feel.
Absolutely. Your age is absolutely right time, and
I'm
age,
still late, I will say. If I would have been an aspirant of, pursuing designing at any point in time, I should have done it long back. But yeah, everything has its own time, so maybe I'm here.
no, I don't think there is anything late. As far as I recall, even Mahatma Gandhi changed his life somewhere in 40s. You are still in
Yeah.
20s. So,
Yeah. So that is the generation gap. What you saw in 40s, we are seeing now, because even heart attacks are now coming at 40, which were earlier in 60s. So,
sorry. So it is all in your hands, and that right timing is. There's nothing called right timing. You started. That's all.
Right. Right.
And, like since you're already in this for 5 years, so given a choice or freedom, will you go back to corporates again? The
Uh,
corporate job,
See,
some
having the knowledge, I feel, I can really survive. Okay. If a situation arises, but nothing at the cost of my work. Okay. Nothing at the cost of my work.
in
I
the sense
will,
uh, a finance job or an audit job or an account job.
not my cup of tea. I have had enough. 3 years. So, because in my articleship days, I was blessed enough to, test both the waters. I was in a small firm doing my articleship for the first 2 years, and the next year I did my industrial training from a foreign bank. Okay. So, I could, gauge what is happening in a small firm or what is happening. Now, of course, times are changed, and, time is changing. So, I can't really draw parallels now. But then, yeah, I could not. I was a misfit. I'll say I was a misfit. So
And any words of advice to all those uh, young uh, audience around? Any words of advice for them?
if you sit with me, I can go on and on and on. Okay, just but to cut it short.
One advice, I know you're very you, you are
Okay.
excited, you are
Yeah.
joyful.
One thing being,
What advice to
one
these
thing.
youngsters?
Yeah. So I have also read about Gaur Gopal Das, who is now following a monk life, and then was earlier an engineer with a good working in a good software, a big software company. So there I could draw some reference from him. See, you have something called as the inner calling. Okay, everybody has that. Okay, it's not that मेरे को कुछ नहीं आता है, मैं तो सिर्फ काम करने का है, मेरे को सिर्फ पैसा कमाने का है. It's not just that. There are many more things beyond that. So
Correct.
it's just about the right time. Okay, the right decision, the right choice. Okay, and the right people you meet. It is very important to have a circle of people who are there to understand you and to mentor you in a way. Okay. I'm not saying you have to be pushed to do something, but then mentoring where the entire ball game changes. Because at times you will be having self doubts, which needs to be cleared in the first place. So all of it makes a very plays a very pivotal role in creating or making you emerge as a person, or be it an entrepreneur, or be it anybody for that matter, a professional. I'm saying you need to have contacts, or you need to interact with people who have been in the industry where you're working, to understand what all phases they have come through, and then what you can expect of the coming times. I'm
Correct.
sure their times must be different. And now you have been teaching for the past so many years. You were having chalk and blackboard se leke fir wo marker and pen marker and pen ये whiteboard tha, and now you are teaching over Zoom. So now you can't say I'm going back to the same blackboard model so that मेरे को उसमें comfortable है करके. It's a shift that happens. So you need to be very, very open and flexible to whatever changes come your way. So that is the main advice. Things are changing. It's changing in a very rapid speed. Okay, so you have to be with time. It may take some extra efforts, I'll say. You know, maybe किसी को एकदम से नहीं आएगा. You know, because nobody is made capable of everything on this earth. So, you know, there will be flaws or there will be some setbacks coming your way. But then it's just to hold in there, you know, you just have to hold in. You can, you know, and first, one very important thing, now that you say only one advice, I want to give one more. There is nothing called as competition. Competition is a myth, okay? Any young audience watching this here, please understand, don't compete and survive, okay? You just have to live there, okay? You can do whatever is possible of you, but to the fullest, okay? Just don't do कि मेरे से 8 घंटा ही पढ़ना चाहिए, but then मेरे को 4 घंटे में हो गया तो मेरा हो गया, मुझसे इससे आगे नहीं होगा. You know you can stretch till 8 hours. You know you can pursue something a little more beyond because you have the capability. So just don't stop yourself, be there, and don't compete, okay? We have been raised in a society wherein, you know, right from childhood, if not outside our family itself, has people, you know, comparing, you know, my child is this, my child is this, that, and all these things. I am a twin. I have a twin brother. So we ourselves had, you know, our parents comparing. You are a father of, you know, twin sons. So you would know how difficult it is to mentor one and mentor the other. So it has been a challenging life for me. But then, yeah, it has been a learning in itself. So we have learned a lot. That's why I say competition is going to ruin you anyway. So better, you know, you make peace with yourself and then just keep going. Just do what is needed of you.
Perfect. I think very correctly said. Change. So be flexible to change, adapt to change, so that you develop whatever skill sets are required. And once you do that, then there is no competition, right?
Yes, absolutely. Because every person is unique, na. Every person is unique. So there's no scope of competition at all.
Inner calling and the uniqueness that you have.
Yes. Yes.
Right. And like since it's almost 5 years, any time like that you felt enough now of arts and you means you have been pushed to such an extent you felt now maybe I think I've taken a wrong decision.
That is when
that thought came into your mind.
So I told you, right, the initial phase and especially the one incident which also was challenging was marriage. When I got married and I entered another family, you know, things changed again, you know, to a 360 degrees change it was. So again to, you know, make people aware of what I am doing and what not, and, you know, all those things happen. But yeah, if you need not be very ruthless or you need not be very arrogant, okay? But then you have to communicate and a little is expected of the other people to understand of what it is. So, you know, you are doing something, you have to be given that time, that space to work it out. You can't just say, no, this is what it is, this is not supposed to be done. That doesn't work. It will hamper the whole process of, you know, your work and whatnot. So, yeah, that was one. But yeah, that is when I made a shift to the digital art because I know I could sense there's something coming my way. So let me just overcome that obstacle and then get, at the same time I had to upgrade myself with, you know, my work. So that is when I stepped into learning digital art. So that's how I pushed the obstacle away. So I am still here. That's all I can say.
Nice talking to you. I think we can keep talking to you and back to another session to get to listen from you more. And by the time things would have changed more better for you. So best wishes and thank you for joining us in inspiring these young people around.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much and convey my regards to your family members. Many of them I know. Convey my regards to them. Bye.
Definitely, sir. That one of your student is right here next to me.
That's what I said.
He would just want to wave you a hi.
Hi sir,
Yeah.
how's it going?
Hi, fine, yes, good. वही
Yeah,
मैं बोला कि I know your family members अभी बोला मैंने.
yes sir. Yes, yes. It's good catching up with you, and again, it's like a refresher of the good old times where we used to learn under your guidance, able guidance. So yeah, thanks
We'll catch
for
up with you also on some other session.
yes, sure. Thank you, sure.
Yes,
Bye.
sir. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Yeah.
We have next next young entrepreneur with us. So we have Ruchi Malde with us. Yes, Ruchi, welcome. Another young entrepreneur, welcome. She is a chartered accountant having her own practice, and she has also gone through a lot of tough times in setting up these. I know of her for almost now 8 to 9 years. So welcome, Ruchi. Yes, Ruchi. Hi, how are you?
Hi, sir. I'm good. How are you, sir?
I'm good, nice. Waiting for you.
I think I was running a little 10 seconds behind, maybe.
No. It's fine. Everything all okay, all good?
Yes, sir. Absolutely. All fine. How are you?
I'm good, nice. So, so short introduction about, I said I know Ruchi for almost 8, 9 years now. So,
Yeah, I think more than that, sir.
so a short brief introduction from your side as to uh, your name, what you've done, what you're doing.
Yeah. So first, I'm a proud Mensa student. I'll start with that. I've been a student of Mensa right from 11th standard and been there till my CA finals.
Thank
So I've
you.
cleared my chartered accountancy under the guidance of all these wonderful professors.
Thanks.
Now, I am practicing as a chartered accountant. I also have a degree in law. But my practice is slightly different than what the usual chartered accountancy practice we are used to see. So, to keep it simple, I'll say I act as a bridge between the senior counsels, the senior lawyers whom we see on the court,
Correct.
and the clients, because these two entities would not understand each other's language. So I basically act as a translator for them and help them solve their problems, because senior counsel wouldn't be interested in, or wouldn't have the time rather, to get into the intricacies of the issues, and the client wouldn't understand the legal jargon of the senior counsel. So that's where I come into picture, and also help the my clients in their day in day out issues. And all this is around one particular field, which is indirect taxes, now very famously known as GST. So that's the field I am into. And also, I think I should be grateful to Mensa for this, because my passion, my interest for this subject began while I was in my inter. I was studying, and indirect tax was a very small subject in the inter
Yes,
syllabus,
very
but I
much.
was very interested, yeah, and I was very interested in it. Like, service tax was taught to us then in the syllabus, and
Right.
it was so fascinating. Yeah, and it was so fascinating because we had never seen it in our 11th, 12th, or in our CPT.
Correct.
And then in CA final, I had a full-fledged subject around it. And that's when I realized, this is my calling. This is the subject I'm interested in.
Correct.
And this is something that I can do for rest of my life, maybe.
Yeah,
So that's how my journey began.
that's a very, very important line. I would love to do it for the rest of my life, the entire life. That's very thoughtfully done and something which keeps you happy and you look happy also.
Yeah, that's true.
Very nice. And
So, so
yeah, please.
uh, if I was doing something else, which if I wasn't interested in, I would always find a reason in the morning to, not go to work or to find an excuse to not do that particular job. But today, say if you're slightly feeling sick, you're not well, or there's too much rain outside, or there's too much traffic on the road. But if you know that today you're going to do something interesting, you're going to surely get up, pack your bags, and start leaving on time and do your job and be happy at the end of the day for it.
Yes, yes, absolutely. That's where that is one of the most important things in the morning. That keeps you inspired and that keeps you on your toes to get back to things you like. Absolutely right.
Yeah, very much.
What inspired you to commerce or specifically chartered accountancy? What inspired you to do this? Come into commerce. I think
Actually,
very high marks in standard 10th also, if I'm not wrong.
yeah. I could have taken up science if I wanted to, because that was the famous notion कि अच्छा marks आया है तो science में जाओ.
Yeah, that's it.
But it is something very emotional, and I don't know if I think about it, I laugh even today. I have seen my dad always working on his papers with some numbers and a calculator.
Okay.
So we are Gujaratis, and Gujaratis are famous for the business. So he has been into business since the age of 17. So I always saw him, writing some numbers, doing something on the calculator. So numbers was always that interested me. So I was very clear that numbers चाहिए तो कॉमर्स में ही जाते हैं. साइंस लेंगे तो बायोलॉजी पढ़ना पड़ेगा, वो समझ में नहीं आएगा. So that's how I started. I took up commerce. My parents, they were okay with anything. It was like, you need to do what you love.
Correct.
And I was in my 11th standard, and then everybody around started talking, what should we do next after 12? What course to take up? Only BCom, that can't be done. We need to do different courses. There were very different vocational courses starting back then.
Yeah.
Like BMS,
Nice, bad.
correct, and BBM, and there were different categories. And I was like, no, I just don't want to go to the college and come back in the afternoon. And what will I do then? And unfortunately, like Meenakshi before, I am not at all artistic, or I wasn't into sports. So I didn't have anything to do after college. So I was like, okay, let's figure out. And obviously, Mensa being the guiding force, we were introduced to different courses. So chartered accountancy was one of them. I was like, yeah, this looks good. I'll be occupied throughout the day. And I've seen my dad going to his CA every year for his returns. So this looks something very interesting. So that's how, the curiosity and interest got me into it.
Great.
And also, I was lucky, all my peers, my friends, they were also going to do.
Correct. Hello. Yeah. Yeah, I think some internet issues with Ruchi. She'll join us back. As she said, I was very clear from the very beginning, since her father was into business and she used to see her father working with numbers, and that's how she got interested into this. And that's how she was very sure कि मुझे कॉमर्स में जाना है, सीए करना है. And her friends also fortunately were doing had a similar choice, so it became all the more clear to her to do that. That's really nice. And that's really nice and quick and clear decisions which she pursued, and she could complete that successfully. Very nice. And as you all would have heard, they have two different paths, no? Like Meenakshi started with CA, but then she shifted to physical arts, and digital arts. Now she pursued and she is also equally successful. Both are successful in their own ways and both are equally happy, as you can see from both of them, like Ruchi and Meenakshi, both are happy. Yeah, Ruchi back again.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. I think there was some internet issue. I'm very sorry.
It's no problem. Yeah.
That's
The
it.
complex part, like any obstacles in starting your own setup and doing things of your own choice, any obstacles you faced? And
So many. There were a lot of obstacles that I faced. First was self-doubt. I was doing really great in my corporate job. So prior to my practice, I was working for one of the big four.
correct. Yeah, so before the starting her practice, she was in Big Four. So obviously, Big Four, she would be drawing a good salary. So that's what she's coming to, that. Yeah, I was drawing a good salary, then shifting to entrepreneurship, doing things on her own would have been a tough job. कि मैं अभी इतना अच्छा कमा रहा हूँ, तो मैं, if I start on my own, maybe like, will I earn this much? One has to go through that temptation, no? वो टेम्पटेशन रहता है ना कि ये पगार का टेम्पटेशन जो है वो छोड़ के शुड आई डू समथिंग ऑफ माय ओन, वन ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंट या रुचि रुचि का नेट का इशू तो उनको ले लेना. हेलो, we will wait for Ruchi or we will talk to the next person, then join back with Ruchi. So मैसेज कर रुचि, इसको देखो लोडिंग. एक बार इसको देख लो, लास्ट टाइम देख, रुचि का लास्ट टाइम एक देखो, नहीं तो फिर लोग दूसरा कर लेते.
Apologies, sir. Sorry.
नहीं, that's beyond control.
Okay. So as I was saying, like money was a big factor,
Yeah,
and which,
good salary.
yeah,
So obviously, on your own, questions arise.
correct. But being 3 years in the corporate, I realized that there's a fixed ladder there. There's a fixed structure. If I continue working, I'm going to climb that ladder. I was doing good also in my field, and I'll reach a certain position by certain age, have a certain package. Like basically, I was comfortable. But then I said, like, am I going to enjoy that climbing the ladder, reaching the next designation? Am I going to love that? And the answer to it was no. And then I realized that if answer to the end result is a no, I shouldn't be continuing it just because I'm going to make really good money and just because it's a very nice, comfortable place to be in. And that's when I, took that jump, leap of faith, a big leap of faith for me. And I started working on, I would say, my passion project. Uh, and today, after 4 years into it, this being my fourth year, I feel I took the right decision and I'm happy. Maybe 4 years back, if you would have asked me, I would have said, sir, I don't know the answer. Maybe yes, maybe no. But today I feel I'm very happy. I'm very content to, say that, yes, I did the right thing and I think I'll continue doing this. I'll continue in this path.
Great. So you are very sure कि नहीं भाई ऐसा कुछ क्या बोलता है, nothing of that sort कि given a chance you will go back, ऐसा तो है ही नहीं. So you're very firm कि मुझे इसी में रहना है. I'm settled and more happy here.
Yeah, and also I'll not say that I'll never go back to corporates, but there is always a way to get your work done. Like for example, today I never thought I would work with certain XYZ company because I thought, "Acha, I'm just a budding practitioner and I'm very young in age. I still don't have white hair, to look that, oh, I have that amount of experience because there are many great players already in the field. But
Correct.
it's just to find innovative ideas or solutions to it. You can get work. You can get
Correct.
your work done. For example, I found out that niche area to work in, and that helped me connect with great leaders of this field and also with great clients. And at the end of the day, that makes me happy.
Great, very nice. And any specific role model?
Yeah, sir. I actually have two set of role models. One is from my field, Mr. Parin Mehta. He was my partner in the Big Four I was working back then, and
Correct.
he is my mentor till date. I look up to him in the field I am into, and he's been my guiding force. Like, even after being 40 years into this field, the amount of dedication he has and that, childlike curiosity that he has even today. Okay, we need to find an answer to this problem. There has to be some solution. So that's something which I really look up to. Second, a very standard answer would be my parents, like hands down. The For every child, their parents are special, so I'm not a different case. Like I've seen both of them working so hard right from back then when they started in their life till today. Unfortunately, I lost my dad a little early in my journey, but his learnings, teachings have been with me. So these two sets of people are really important. Like in one in leading your life, one in my professional journey. They till
Great.
date, like I'm always mesmerized by looking at them.
Very nice. So nice. And any specific advice to the young entrepreneurs or young to be entrepreneurs or students whoever is watching this program? Any specific advice
Uh,
to them?
Yeah, so if you have any idea in your mind and you feel, this is a good idea, you're passionate about it, most importantly, and you have a plan in your mind, give that time, work on it. Even if it's not tried and tested by hundreds of other people, it's okay. You might be the first one, but give yourself that chance. Either you may succeed or you may fail. If you're a success, it's a great thing. If you fail, not a problem. You gained the experience. You learned, okay, these were the mistakes that I committed.
Correct. I think Ruchi is having network issue again. So
Telling them what's right and what's wrong, let them take that decision and try that idea that they have in their mind once. And I'm sure if you're passionate about something, you can definitely uh, reach your end goal. There's nothing that can stop you other than your own shortcomings or your own self. There's nothing external which can stop you.
great, great. Any skills one should have to become an entrepreneur like you? Like अभी budding 4 5 years हो गया. Any skill set person should have to become an entrepreneur. Like, whatever you
Yeah,
are
yeah.
doing,
So
you must be doing. Like,
two important skills. One is know where your money is going to come from and where the money is going to go. So basically, manage your money well. That's the most important skill you should have being in the business because at the end, it's all for the money. And second is whatever field you are in, be aware about it. So if you're a chartered accountant, be aware about the updates, be aware about the changes happening, be aware about your clients as to are there any problems that they are facing. If you're into any product specific field, be aware about how the product is helping your customers. So awareness is very much required. Being updated is very much required. And last but not the least, as I said earlier, manage your money well. These two skills you must know.
Nice talking to you, Ruchi. Thank you very much, and thank you for the lovely advices. As you are from chartered accountancy field, so know where money comes from, where it goes.
Thank
Update
you
yourself.
so much, sir.
Skill set one should have to develop new skills every day. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Nice talking to you.
Thank you, sir. It
And
was
see you.
really nice talking to you.
Thank you very much. Thanks.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
Sure. Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Bye-bye.
So we have the next person, the next youngest lady, loading a cake entrepreneur. She is the most youngest of the day.
Hello, sir. Just a second, sir. Yes, sir.
We can hear you.
Good evening, sir.
Good.
Sir, your voice is low, I think.
मुझे सुनाई दे रहा है. आपको सुन रहा है?
Yes, sir. Now it's okay.
How are you?
How are you, sir?
I am good.
Fine.
I'm fine. So, आज का सब क्लासेस हो गया आपका, लेक्चर्स हो गया फुल डे कि हाफ डे?
Yes, sir.
Great.
No, in the completed.
Yeah. So Archie is joining standard 11th, Kelkar College, Commerce. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Archie, what exactly are you doing apart from your commerce education standard 11? आपका entrepreneurship के बारे में थोड़ा सा बताइए, थोड़ा background दे दीजिए before we move on.
Yes, sir. I'm particularly a home baker, and I've taken basic to advanced masterclass from Vidya Varghese, an amazing mentor and amazing baker too. And I've learned this in May 2021, and then I started my own venture, and my business ID name is Loading a Cake, and I sell cake. I bake the cakes and sell them.
Great. So that is the fastest I think that a person could have done. कि May 2021 में पढ़ा और immediate business भी चालू कर दिया और अभी 4-5 महीने से business आपका strongly चल रहा है. क्या बोले एकदम सीखा और implement भी कर दिया और शायद जितना पैसा आपने सीखने में डाला वसूल भी कर लिया.
Yes, sir.
Very good. That's very nice. Superb. And मतलब ये बेकिंग का पहले से आपको शौक था कि अभी ये लॉकडाउन में शौक है?
No, before lockdown also I used to do on some occasions I make cakes, but in lockdown during ample time I used to watch FB lives, and some bakers also show some creative design. So in that time I was willing to do it, but due to SSC boards I can't do it. So after that boards I opted for doing it, and then I started it.
Great. तो मतलब वो आप में वो इंस्टिंक्ट था केक बनाने का, और इसलिए आप मतलब क्या बोलते हैं, बाकी लोग फ्रेंड्स को लाइक्स और करने में बिजी थे और आप एकदम फेसबुक लाइव में केक बनाने का सीख रहे थे. दैट्स नाइस, नो?
Yes.
वेरी नाइस. Can you share like what your father is doing, mother is doing, like?
My mother is a housewife and father is a businessman.
Very good. So father is a businessman, तो उन्होंने आपको भी बिजनेस सिखा दिया कैसे करना.
Yes.
Very good. And any problems you are facing, any obstacle when you took this decision cake baking करना है, तभी कुछ obstacle आया कि अभी कुछ obstacle आ रहा है, ऐसा कुछ है?
I have not faced any particular obstacle till now, but if I'll face it in future, I'll definitely overcome it.
Acha. Very nice. That was a वेरी हॉनेस्ट आंसर. अभी तक कोई ऑब्स्टेकल आया नहीं और आगे आएगा तो उसको फेस करने को सीख लूंगी और उसको जरूर फेस करूंगी. फैंटास्टिक. एकदम ऑनेस्ट और इनोसेंट आंसर है. आई रियली लाइक दैट आंसर ऑफ योर्स. एंड लाइक यू वांट टू कंटिन्यू दिस और ऑन अ बिगर वे कि ऐसा कोई प्लान नहीं?
Yes, I want to continue.
कि इसको ऐसे छोटा हॉबी जैसे रखना है?
No, first I'll focus on my studies, and then if I'll get time, then only I'll continue it. But nowadays I have time, so I'm continuing it.
वेरी गुड. इसके अलावा क्या करने वाले हैं आप पढ़ाई में? मतलब पढ़ाई में सिर्फ कॉमर्स में और कुछ ऐसा स्पेसिफिक कोर्सेज?
Chartered.
हाँ,
CA,
CA.
Chartered Accountant.
वेरी गुड. तो आपका एकदम फोकस बहुत क्लियर है. वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट आंसर कि मुझे सीए ही करना है. वेरी नाइस ऑफ यू यार. बहुत यंग एज में आप इतना क्लियर आइडियाज है आपके पास. मैं ये करना, ये बेकिंग अभी करूंगी, समय मिलने तक, नहीं मिलेगा तो पहला पढ़ाई पूरा करूंगी, फिर बाद में मैं ये चालू करूंगी. वेरी नाइस, वेरी ब्यूटीफुली थॉट. मतलब पेरेंट्स ने ऐसा बोला कि आपके खुद के थॉट, खुद का ही विचार वैसा था?
No, parents had supported me in my every decision. If it was right, then if it was wrong, they have told me what was my mistake. So I learned a lot from them. And
Great, very nice. And any advice for people of your age who are watching this Insta Live program or around your age watching this Insta Live program? कुछ piece of advice है आपके पास इनको इनके
Yes.
साथ शेयर करने के लिए जो आपने अपना तजुर्बा सीखा है इतने समय में?
if anyone wants to be a successful entrepreneur or anything, if you want to fulfill your dream, then don't look at your age. Age is just a number. Just complete, just aim to fulfill your dream, and your dream will be fulfilled.
वेरी गुड. बहुत बड़ा बड़ा बात कर रहे हैं आप यार. एज इज जस्ट अ नंबर. डोंट वरी अबाउट द एज का नंबर. कभी भी आप पूरा कर सकते हैं. जस्ट अपना ड्रीम फॉलो करो, पूरा करो. बढ़िया है. वेरी नाइस, ब्यूटीफुल. एंड फाइनल वन क्वेश्चन कि भाई एनी रोल मॉडल है क्या? आपका कोई रोल मॉडल है ऐसा पढ़ाई में या ये केक बेकिंग में? ऐसा कोई रोल मॉडल भी है आपका ऐसा?
In baking, I have there are many home bakers which are my role model, but particularly talking about one, my mentor Vidya Varghese, and one more Niti Di. She's from Mumbai. She's also a home baker. So she also inspires me by her techniques, and she helps me in my problems also during during home baking.
वेरी नाइस. मतलब इतना जल्दी आपने सबके साथ बात भी कर लिया और वो आपको हेल्प भी करते हैं. वेरी नाइस, सो स्वीट ऑफ यू. सुपर सुपर. चलो आपके पास आप फिर से एक बार मुलाकात होगा, बात होगा. एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू हर्षी फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस एंड बेस्ट विशेस. गॉड ब्लेस यू. बाय बाय.
Thank you for joining me.
Thank you all. This was the young lady entrepreneurs of the day. So nice inspirations for me. I hope a lot of take home. So I hope it is there for all of you. Bye bye. See you all in the next series of ours. Bye.